Assalamu alaikum. In this video, how to change paint bucket color in Photoshop. Let's get started. Open file. Okay. Select the paint bucket tool. Right click is paint bucket tool. Multiply background opacity tolerance up to 10 or I use 32. You can sense anytime and click red color and again press Ctrl X or click this icon. Then double click and edit any color. Example, I use yellow color. That's it. Get result. Press Ctrl X, change, edit red color. X. That's it. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel. Like, comment, share.